What up guys, it is What's Short. Haven't seen you guys in a long time, but DJI has released a brand new drone, and, well, it is a Mini 5 Pro. Really excited for it, but trying to get it on their website apparently is a 404 error message. After a tiny bit of research, I realized you can't actually get this drone through their website or in any retail store in the US. There's apparently having custom issues, so the only way I could get this is through Amazon or eBay or another third-party site. So I'm trying to get it on eBay right now. Hopefully the person I've ordered it from gets it to me in time, but we will see. I'll see you guys in a couple more seconds when I get the drone and we'll see what happens. What up guys, it's What's Short, and today we are going to be unboxing the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro. I finally got it from eBay, and I will be leaving on the screen the specs of this drone, but for now we're just going to do an unboxing, really quick, really simple, and then I'm going to have another video of my review after I use this drone for a tiny bit. So we're going to be unboxing the drone right now. I took everything out of the box because my camera died, so I had to kind of redo this. Everything came in a bag, just so you guys know, but this is the drone right here, the brand new DJI Mini 5. Beautifully packed. We have the extra propellers right there, and the charger, the other propellers. We'll put that away for now. Right here is the charging hub that comes with the drone, which is really cool. I remember I had one for the DJI Mavic Mini, so this is a big upgrade for me on this drone. There's the other wire, USB Type-C, because everything's USB Type-C now. And over here is the controller, the bag. So, as of right now, this is the DJI Mini 5. This is going to be the end of the video. This is what it looks like, and honestly, I can't wait to be flying this thing. Right now, it is the day before Thanksgiving, so I'm not going to be able to fly this probably until next week, but once I do, I'll have a review out, hopefully before Christmas, of this drone. Please subscribe, write your comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.